In the justice program here at the Brennan Center, we've been focused on the idea of ending mass incarceration, which is really a term not of a specific not a specific problem, but a set of problems. It's not just the number of people in cages. It's not just the number of people even on probation or parole. It's the entire way that this system punishes people forever once you touch the criminal justice system. I don't know if you guys remember the story about the tar baby. Do you all know that story? I'm saying some nod, some not. It's a Brer Rabbit story. It's a story about how Brer Rabbit got mad one day, and he was sitting next to a baby made out of tar, literally. And he punched the baby, and his hand got stuck in the baby. Then he tried to kick the baby, and his hand got stuck on the baby. And the criminal justice system is exactly the same way. Once you touch it, it never lets you go. Collateral consequences in New York. You can turn 19 years old in this state, be convicted of a misdemeanor for marijuana. You will die with that criminal record. For the rest of your life, you now are not eligible for public housing. If you weren't born in this country or you don't have immigration status, you are deportable now. And that's even for less than a misdemeanor marijuana. You cannot get federal loans for student loans. So you can't get education because nobody's getting an education without loans anymore these days. So you think about that. How do you isolate an entire population? You make these rules. And then you apply them disparately. Because, of course, when the only thing Jonathan left off about that driving is the race of the driver. Because, of course, what's going to happen to you if you're driving while black is going to be way different than what happens to you driving while white, and especially if you've got money in your pocket, right? So we have to think about this. And this is a system that we've created. And it's gotten out of control. Jonathan did a good illustration, and I've been trying to figure out ways to illustrate our criminal justice system using numbers and the environment I have. There are 76 people in this room right now. I counted. We have a criminal justice system that has criminalized 1/4 of all adult Americans. 65 million Americans have some form of criminal conviction in their past, okay? That's about 1/4 of us all. That's actually taking this room, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, except for you, ma'am. That's that. Seriously, look at that. I'm sorry, look at that. That is representative. Those first 6 rows represent how many people in America have been convicted of a crime. Now, I'm an optimist sometimes. We are not a criminal nation. This is not who we are. This is who we become because we made some really bad choices out of stress, out of crisis. The war on drugs, tough on crime laws have gotten us to this point for no reason. The science is bad, the sociology is bad, the policy is bad. We can undo this. We did it.